Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'm going to talk about how we can fix if your JBL Xtreme 2 is not charging, because there can be multiple reasons for it. So the first one is the hardware reason, where you have to change or switch your adapter, or you have to clean the connector, or you have to change also where you're putting it in a wall, right, like in a different outlet. So this is something that you need to figure it out if you don't have the faulty adapter. Now, if let's say you don't have faulty adapter, but there is going to be a software issue, there are two things that you can try. So the first thing is that you're gonna have it turn on, okay, and then you're gonna hold the power button and the volume up the plus button at the same time. So you're gonna turn it on, and then you're gonna hold the power button and the volume up button at the same time. So this is something you want to do, okay? So this is the first thing: volume button and the play button and volume up button together, just pressing and holding for like 10 seconds. If that doesn't work out, what you need to do, you need to hold and press the play button, the plus button, and the minus button at the same time. So this is another thing that we have to do. So test these two things and let me know in the comments what worked for you. Thank you very much for watching, and have a great day, and goodbye.